U.S. Marine Corps accepts first Ancillary Surface Craft prototype. The U.S. Marine Corps Warfighting Laboratory has completed technical acceptance of the first Ancillary Surface Craft prototype, moving the roughly 150-foot vessel into a new phase of testing at Quantico, Virginia, the laboratory said in a release. The ASC is a roll-on roll-off landing craft designed to carry personnel, equipment, and fuel directly onto unimproved shorelines, delivering what the Marine Corps calls the last tactical mile of logistics support. The laboratory said the craft can transport up to 46 tons of cargo and 40 combat-loaded Marines. It is rated for full operation in Sea State 5 and designed to survive conditions up to Sea State 7. The craft is equipped with forward-looking sonar intended to let operators navigate uncharted, shallow littoral waters and assess beach gradients before landing. The Marine Corps awarded the ASC contract to Birdon America, the U.S. arm of Australian shipbuilder Birdon, in 2024. Birdon partnered with CC Marine and Repair in Belchas, Louisiana, to build the vessel, with construction beginning in 2025 at CC's facility near New Orleans. Birdon has said the ASC design, which it also refers to as the Ancillary Surface Craft medium, was built for rapid, automation-driven production intended to shorten the time needed to build each craft. Achieving technical acceptance is a crucial first step in our rigorous testing regimen, said Aaron Hatfield, Maritime Program Manager, Science and Technology Division, U.S. Marine Corps Warfighting Laboratory. This validation assures that the craft's advanced systems and robust design are ready for MCWL to begin hands-on technical experimentation, ensuring we can meet the extreme operational demands of the Indo-Pacific theater. The ASC now enters limited technical assessments, in which Birdon America craft masters and engineers will work alongside Australian Army crewing support under Marine Corps Warfighting Laboratory oversight. The laboratory said the craft will initially be operated by a hybrid crew pairing Marines with contracted mariners as the Marine Corps trains its own personnel toward independent operation of small surface craft. The ASC is intended to complement the medium landing ship, a larger amphibious vessel the Marine Corps and Navy have been developing to move forces between islands. The medium landing ship program has faced repeated delays, and the Marine Corps has described the ASC and similar smaller craft as part of an interim bridging strategy to sustain distributed forces in the Pacific while that program continues. Where the medium landing ship moves forces at a larger scale, the ASC is built with a shallow draft meant to reach landing sites beyond the reach of bigger vessels, including shorelines without ports, piers, or causeways. To support Expeditionary Advanced Base Operations (EABO), our forces must remain highly mobile and sustained without relying on fixed, vulnerable ports, said Colonel Kenny Jones, Science and Technology Division Director at the Marine Corps Warfighting Laboratory. This prototype allows MCWL to immediately execute hands-on experimentation, test tactical concepts, and put real hardware in the hands of Marines. By exploring the ASC's traditional bow-first beaching physics alongside other experimental platforms, we are actively reducing programmatic risk and perfecting the requirements for the future naval fleet. Expeditionary Advanced Base Operations is the Marine Corps concept for positioning small, mobile units at temporary locations across contested maritime areas, including islands in the Pacific, to support sea denial and fleet sustainment missions. The concept relies on units that can move between locations without depending on fixed infrastructure that would be vulnerable to attack. The Marine Corps has ordered 2 ASC prototypes from Birdon under the current contract. Upcoming testing phases will evaluate force protection and self-defense configurations for the craft, whose primary mission remains logistics and maneuver rather than direct combat.